Good day, people. Once again, it's a beautiful day today. I've got Apelele here. Apelele, good morning. How are you?
Yes, good.
Yes, good. Okay, so we are looking at that robot now. When it starts opening an arrow, then we're gonna go. Guys, don't forget to subscribe on our channel and tell us where you're watching these videos. So today we are just here doing some observations as well as changing the gears. Okay, right. So the robot is gonna open very soon, and then you can just put your handbrake down nicely. Handbrake down nicely. Let's go. Then you leave the clutch smoothly there. Okay, and then accelerate a little bit more. You must go. Look at the robot. You see it? More speed and go. 10. And keep your left side, please. Yeah. Then when your car is straight properly, you are going to change gears. Let's go. Clutch in gear number 2 nicely. And leave the clutch smoothly, not one time. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Checking your mirrors after 5 seconds. You make sure everything is alright. More speed, more speed, more speed, more speed, more speed, more speed, more speed. Check your mirrors. More speed, brother. Remember, your speed must be 142. So that means we must change the gear, eh? Right, let's go. Clutch in gear number 3 nicely. This pedestrian is an intersection as well. Check mirror, intersection left and right. More speed, please. Alright. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving there. Alright. Do you see the car is standing still in front of you, right? Already you leave accelerator, start applying brakes already. And look in the middle mirror. Alright, keep looking in the middle mirror. Brakes must be small, not too much. A little, not hard, ne?
Okay.
Yeah. Because now you stopped a bit far now. You must also go forward a little. Balance your car. Right, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't rush, don't rush.
3, 4, 5.
Yeah, repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, I'll tell you when to do handbrake. Okay? I'll tell you when to do handbrake. I think now, hold your handbrake, then brake down. The robot is green. Lift clutch bit by bit, accelerate more. Okay, and then clutch in gear number 2 nicely. Smoothly and gentle. Lift clutch smoothly. Alright, let's go more speed a little. Alright, look in the mirrors after 5 seconds. Your steering or holding the steering is not right. Hold properly. Yeah. Clutch number 3, neutral straight up. Leave the clutch smoothly. Remember on the day of the test, no one is going to tell you to change gears, ne? You change gears on your own, more speed. Mirror, intersection, quickly.
Intersection.
Remember, intersection is in front, not on the mirror, ne? Mirror, intersection.
Mirror, intersection.
That's what we do before we cross the road, to check if there is no people who can cause obstruction. Mirror, intersection left, intersection right. Alright, leave accelerator. Okay, they start to move now. Okay, more speed. We are approaching the robot, right? Leave accelerator, little bit brakes like we agreed. Then clutch inside quickly. Look in the brake in the middle mirrors. Right, then handbrake up nicely. Gear neutral. Leave everything. Look at the opposite robot. When it's amber, then you do gear number 1. When it's amber, eh? Okay, what is the color now?
Still red.
Green. The opposite one.
This one.
The opposite one is that it's green most.
This one.
Can you see it? The opposite.
This one.
Now it's yellow now, gear number 1. You're not seeing it. Balance your car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And break down nicely. The opposite is red now. Look at it.
Okay.
Let's go straight. Opposite most is your side. This one's.
Okay, this one.
Yes. That's the opposite one. Alright. Clutch number 2 nicely. Right. Leave the clutch smoothly. Right. Go slightly there. Don't bump him. Come back to the left. Come back to the left. More speed, more speed, more speed, more speed, more speed. Check your mirrors after 5 seconds. Check your mirrors after 5 seconds. The sound is complaining. Let's go. Mirror intersection.
Mirror.
Don't change the steering when you do that. Mirror, intersection. Yeah. You must go forward like I told you. I said mirror, intersection. You understand?
Okay.
Press brakes, more brakes. Clutch. Look in the mirror. Alright, then break up nicely. Gear neutral. Gear number 1. Balance your car nicely, not too hard. Balance your car. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And break down. Right. So we are going to turn left, ne? Don't rush. Mirror, blind spot, indicate to the left.
Mirror, blind spot.
Indicate to the left.
To the left.
Right. Don't move like that. Closer to the line there. We're gonna tell you what to do next. Right. Your hands must be okay, accurate the way it's supposed to be. Alright? Are you looking in the mirrors as well?
Yes.
Alright. Little bit brakes and then clash quickly. Stop here for me. You are not looking in the middle mirror. That middle mirror,
Yeah.
you've got more points with that. You understand?
Okay.
Yes. And break up again neutral. If you don't look at it, the examiner will just write points. You
I
see?
get you.
Balance your car. Balance your car. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Relax like that. Remember, that car in front of you is not moving yet, right?
Yes.
The car in front of you is not moving yet. When it starts moving, then you can put your handbrake down nicely. You understand?
Okay.
Okay. Remain there. Checking your mirrors, just make sure you are aware of what is happening. You will do full observation again, I think.
Blind spot, mirror, blind spot.
Okay, remain like that. Put in neutral. Put a gear neutral. Yeah. Then wait until it's now open now. You can put it again. Balance your car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Then break down. Then you leave the clutch bit by bit. More speed a little. More speed. More speed. Then you do clutch inside quickly. Number 2. Then you leave the clutch smoothly. You're gonna turn left, remember, more speed. More speed, brother. Don't cross the lines. More speed, more speed. Remember, before you turn, you're gonna do blind spot, eh? Yeah, I need to see that blind spot before you turn. Let's go. Blind spot.
Blind spot.
Repeat again.
Blind spot.
Turn your steering, not too hard. It's okay the way you turn. It's okay the way you turn. Don't push your car on the left side. Go in the middle of the road. It's one way, eh?
Okay.
Yeah. More speed a little. More speed, more speed, more speed. More speed, more speed, more speed. Right. Keep your in the middle, eh? Look at the road in front of you. You can see what's happening there. Alright. Clutch in gear number 3 nicely. Don't turn your steering. Neutral straight up. Well done. Leave the clutch smoothly. There's a checks in front of you there. Be careful of that checks, eh? More speed, more speed, more speed, more speed. Let's go. Alright. So on the robot you are going to turn left, né? So I would advise you to keep the middle one for now, and then more speed. And then after that you're gonna say mirror, blind spot, indicate to the left.
Mirror, blind spot.
Indicate. Press brakes a little bit so that you can change gear number 2 smoothly. Right, it's enough. Then clutch number 2, smoothly change. Leave the clutch smoothly. Right, let's go bit by bit. More speed. We're gonna turn on this line, eh? Yeah. Because our one there's something there. Alright. Little bit brakes, look in the middle mirror, please. Don't pass the line as well. Right, nice one. Handbrake up, gear neutral. Gear number 1, balance your car. Balance your car, balance your car. Do full observation, eh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Remain there. Checking your mirrors, yeah, you are strong, eh? You are coming here, all these Texas, yeah. And the good part it is, that is the same route of the test. This guys is gonna test you, you understand? Right. Do full observation again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And remain there. Full observation again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
And remain there. Is your car balanced, right? Don't forget to put the handbrake down nicely when the road is open. Nice one, handbrake down nicely, don't fight there. Check your mirror so that by the time you turn, the left mirror, so that you do blind spot knowing there's no one there. There's no one, right? Blind spot and turn.
Blind spot.
Turn. And keep the middle one, the right side. And keep moving. When you're steering straight, then you can do number 2 nicely, smoothly. Don't mix your gears. Accelerate and the clutch must not mix. Then after that you accelerate more. After that you accelerate more. More speed goes man. Right, clutch number 3, neutral straight up. Don't go out of the road, keep your line. More speed, more speed, more speed, more speed, more speed. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's been good being with you. Don't forget guys to subscribe on our channel and share the video with other people. As you can see, Apple is doing very well. No problem yet. You can stop if this guy stops in front of you. Press brakes and stop. Flash quickly. Well done. And break up gear neutral. They do that every time. Don't look down. Gear number 1. Balance your car. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4, 5.
And break down. Well done for listening. Let's go. More speed a little. Right, thank you guys so much. I hope you are going to enjoy this video. God bless you. I'll see you again on another video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.